In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a jewelry Shopify website. To begin, log into your Shopify admin and head to the online store area. From there, open Themes. This is where you control the overall look and feel of your store, including layout, spacing, and the way product photos and text appear. Since jewelry relies heavily on visual presentation, choosing the right theme is one of the most important early decisions. Next, look for the option to add a theme, and then choose to visit the theme store. Take your time here, because themes are not just about style. They also affect how customers browse collections, how quickly pages load, and how product images display on mobile. For jewelry, you want a high-resolution theme that can showcase close-up details, clean product photography, and plenty of white space. As you browse the theme store, pick an option that matches your brand direction. Dawn is a great choice if you want a minimalist and modern storefront that puts product images first. If you are aiming for a more premium, luxury feel, Dawn Custom can give you a more refined presentation. If your brand is softer and more lifestyle-focused, Sense is a strong option, with gentler design elements that can complement delicate pieces. Whatever you choose, prioritize crisp image display and an uncluttered product page. Once you have selected your theme, add it to your store and then open the Customize option. This takes you into the theme editor, where you can fine-tune the design without touching code. Even small changes here can make a jewelry store feel more polished. Inside the theme editor, go to Theme Settings and then open Typography. Typography matters because it sets the tone for your brand at a glance. For jewelry, elegant type often works best, especially for headings. Choose a refined serif font for your heading text so your collections and product titles feel elevated and intentional. As you choose your font, keep readability in mind. Headings should look premium but still be easy to scan, both on desktop and on a phone. After you set your heading font, review the overall appearance and make sure it feels consistent with your product style and photography. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.